beef dip for your summer feature menu. So we've got our ciabatta baguette here. So it comes in a long piece. We cut it into 4. You're gonna notice how much we toasted it. So the reason we do that is so that the au jus doesn't make the bottom of the bun soggy. You get a nice good crust on it, and away you go. So after you've toasted it, we're gonna add our horseradish Dijonnaise, which is pretty straightforward. It's horseradish, Dijon, and mayonnaise. Nice good amount there, and then we're going to spread it out nice and evenly, coating the bread, and then we're going to start building our sandwich. So we've got our 5-ounce portion of inside round. You're going to notice that there's a lot of pink there. We cook it to 120, keep it nice and rare. On the stove, we've got a pan with 6 ounces of au jus in it. So we want to bring this to temperature. We don't want to cook the beef dip in the au jus. We just want to reheat it. So we add our beef. Quickly coat it in the au jus. And that's basically it. You're just bringing it up to temperature. You don't want to cook it. You still want to leave it nice and pink. Make sure that you're cutting it against the grain as well, because that'll make it more tender. Then we're taking it out of the au jus. Just let it drain a little bit. Spread the beef evenly across the bottom of the bun. The remainder of the au jus goes into a cup, a bouillon bowl. And that, of course, is for dipping. So if this was a regular beef dip, now we would just add our 2 ounces of onion straws on top, cut it in half, add your pickle, and plate it. But we're going to build the builded one. So we've got 2 ounces of mushrooms. Notice the cut, they're nice and big cut, not thin slices. That way you can taste the mushrooms. Add that over top, spread that out. And you'll see that it's quite a bit that covers the sandwich quite nicely. 2 ounces of Swiss cheese over top. Then we're just going to add it to a tray. Put it in the cheese melter and melt away. Okay, so we've melted our cheese. Now we're going to add our onion straws. 2 ounces of onion straws right on top. And you're going to see it's a ton. Add the top. Take your skewer and pickle to 1/2. Put it all the way through, and then we're going to cut it on a slight bias all the way through. Grab our oval plate and then present it open face with the meat facing out. There is your beef dip sandwich.